Guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to download your favorite music without internet. And before that, please huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And i-click na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated. So first guys, to prove na wala talaga tayong internet, asterisk muna tayo. Asterisk 1, 2, 1, number sign. Wait lang natin guys. So as you can see guys, no, wala po tayong load balance. Exit na natin to. Pwede lang to sa Smart, TNT, and Sun. Hindi po to pwede sa Globe NTM. So first guys, open muna natin tong application na to. So ang application na to guys, nasa description ko po yung link, and open natin. Okay guys, open na siya. So click natin yung Google. Ayan guys. So first, search natin yung mp3 juice. mp3juice.com. As you can see guys, loading po siya, and click na natin yung first result. Push natin yung music na gusto natin i-download. So yung Dynamite. Okay, loading na siya. So ito po yung music na download natin, Dynamite by BTS. So first, click nyo lang download. Wait lang natin guys. So yun na guys, no, natin ulit yung download. So yun na guys, no, meron na siyang download screen dito. Click natin save. Wait lang natin guys, loading. So you can see guys, napakadali pong mag-download nito. Wait lang natin. Wait lang. So as you can see guys, tapos na po siyang mag-download. So open na natin.
I'm rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home. Jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy. Can't hit a baseball. I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey. Yeah, this beach treated like money. This go all alone. I'm into that. I'm good to go. I'm diamond. You know I glow. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with the little focus.
So that's it guys. Peace.